Hello friends, welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel, Dr. Mahadev Swarnakar. Friends, presently I am working as an assistant professor at Department of Chemistry, Baburao Jadaskar Mahavidyalaya, Case, District Bid. The topic of my today's video is important multiple choice questions on heterocyclic compounds. दोस्तों, इसी टॉपिक रिलेटेड कल मैंने एक वीडियो अपलोड किया था इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पार्ट फर्स्ट. आज हम इस वीडियो में इसी टॉपिक रिलेटेड कुछ और एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस लेके आए हैं. सो इन द फॉर्म ऑफ दिस वीडियो इज प्रेजेंटेड, दैट इज पार्ट सेकंड. लेट्स स्टार्ट द MCQs. Question number first is pyrrole is A acidic, B basic, C neutral and D both A and B. In this we have to know that pyrrole ring possesses nitrogen atom and that nitrogen atom has lone pair of electron and it has tendency to donate that lone pair of electron. If any element donate lone pair of electron or compound donate lone pair of electron, it is basic in nature, that is Lewis base. If any compound accept lone pair of electron, it is called as Lewis acid, and if any compound donate lone pair of electron, it is called as Lewis base. Pyrrole has tendency to donate lone pair of electron and hence it is basic in nature. In the next question, pyrrole is A aromatic, B non-aromatic, C anti-aromatic and D none of these. In this case, we know that pyrrole has a 2 pi bonds and 1 lone pair of electron on the nitrogen atom. So this nitrogen lone pair of electron involved in the ring and it obeys the 6 pi electron, that is it obeys Huckel rule and it is aromatic in nature. And in the pyrrole ring all carbon atoms and nitrogen atom undergo sp2 type of hybridization and hence it is a aromatic in nature. Option A is the correct one for this question. In the next question, the hybridization of carbon atom in pyrrole are A sp, B sp2, C sp3 and D dsp2. As we know above, the hybridization of carbon atom is always sp2 hybridization in the pyrrole ring. In the next question, pi electron cloud on pyrrole ring is due to A p pi bonding, B p pi d pi bonding, C both of these and D none of these. We know the structure of pyrrole. In that pyrrole ring, carbon and nitrogen atoms are present. In carbon and nitrogen, only s and p orbitals are present. There is an absence of d orbital, and hence there is a no pi electron on the d orbital. Hence, the option A is the correct one. That is p pi bonding present in the pyrrole ring. Next question. Pyrrole obeys A Markovnikov's rule, B anti-Markovnikov's rule, C Huckel's rule and D Sedgwick's rule. All rules are from organic chemistry. So here pyrrole is an aromatic structure and it obeys 4n plus 2 pi electron system and hence it is obeys the Huckel's rule. That is option C is the correct one for this question. Next question is pyridine is prepared by the mixture of A C2H2 plus HCN, B 2 molecule of C2H2 plus HCN, C 2 molecule of C2H2 plus 2 molecule of HCN and D C2H2 plus 2 molecule of HCN. The correct option is B here, that is 2 molecule of C2H2 plus hydrogen cyanide. By the mixture of this we can easily prepare the pyridine. In the next question, electrophilic aromatic substitution on pyridine observed at positions. Option A 3, 5, B 2, 4, C 3, 4 and D 2, 5. In the electrophilic aromatic substitution on pyridine means on the pyridine ring electrophile is get attached at which positions. While if you have to write the resonance structure of pyridine at carbon number 3 and carbon number 5, there is a formation of negative charge and that negative charge is easily get attacked on the electrophile and hence electrophile is get attached on the pyridine ring at carbon number 3 or at carbon number 5 and hence the option A is the correct one, that is at carbon number 3, 5 electrophile is get attached. In the next question, nucleophilic aromatic substitution on pyridine observed at positions. Option A 2, 4, 5, B 2, 3, 4, C 2, 4, 6 and D 3, 5, 6. as nucleophiles get attached at which position of the pyridine ring. So if nucleophiles get attached at carbon number 2 or at carbon number 4 or at carbon number 6, there is in the resonance structure formation takes place, and in that resonance structure pi electron delocalization takes place, and that pi electron is get stabilized on the nitrogen atom, and if nitrogen atom is more electronegative than carbon atom, and hence the nucleophilic aromatic substitution takes place at carbon number 2, 4, 6 only, because nitrogen is more electronegative than carbon atom, and in this way the nucleophile is get attached at carbon number 2, 4, 6. Option C is the correct answer for this question. Next question. The basicity of pyrrole and pyridine is A. Pyrrole is greater than pyridine. B. Pyridine is greater than pyrrole. C. Pyrrole equal to pyridine, and D. Both weak bases. In this, we have to know the structure of pyrrole and pyridine. Pyrrole is a 5-membered ring and pyridine is a 6-membered ring. Both nitrogen atoms possesses lone pair of electron, but in case of pyrrole, lone pair of electron involved in the aromatic ring. But in case of pyridine, there is already 3 pi bonds are present, and hence there is no pi electron involved in the aromatic ring in the pyridine, and hence these pi electron are easily available for donation. So pyridine is more basic than pyrrole. Option B is the correct answer for this question, that is pyridine is more basic than pyrrole. Next question. Pyridine reacts with H2SO4 and KNO3, it gives. It is a nitration reaction, that is H2SO4 plus KNO3, there is a formation of NO2 positive. NO2 positive acts as an electrophile. In the 7th question, we know that electrophile is get attached at carbon number 3 or 5. So option D is the correct answer in this question, that is 3-nitropyridine, not 2-nitropyridine, 4-nitropyridine or 6-nitropyridine. The electrophile NO2 positive on the pyridine ring always attacks on the 3 or 5 position. So option D is the correct answer here, that is 3-nitropyridine. In the next question, pyridine reacts with NaNH2, gives the product 2-aminopyridine, 3-aminopyridine, 5-aminopyridine and 1-aminopyridine. It is a Chichi-Bibin type of reaction. In case of NaNH2, Na plus NH2 minus, that NH2 minus attacks on the carbon number 2, and in the resonance structure this negative charge is stabilized on the nitrogen atom. So option A is the correct answer here, that is 2-aminopyridine. In the next question, 2-bromopyridine reacts with ammonia, it produces the product 2-aminopyridine, B 3-aminopyridine, 4-aminopyridine and 5-aminopyridine. It is a ipso substitution reaction, that is at position 2 NH3 ammonia is get attacked in the resonance structure, the pi electron shifted on the nitrogen atom. In the next resonance structure, this negative charge on the nitrogen reverse back and Br is get removed, that is all halogens are good leaving group, and in this way at position 2 there is a NH2 attachment takes place. So option A is the correct one, that is 2-aminopyridine. In the next question, quinoline is a heterocyclic compound of 6-membered ring with nitrogen atom, 10-membered ring with nitrogen atom, 6-membered ring with oxygen atom and 10-membered ring with oxygen atom. We know that quinoline is a 10-membered ring, so option A and C are directly removed. Again we know that in case of quinoline nitrogen atom is present, not oxygen. So option B is the correct one, that is 10-membered ring with nitrogen atom. In the next question, quinoline is prepared by Fischer-Indole synthesis, Bristol-Napolsky synthesis, scrap synthesis and none. You have to always remember that quinoline is always prepared by Scrap's quinoline synthesis, that is option C is the correct one. In the next, electrophilic aromatic substitution takes place on quinoline at positions A 4, 6, B 5, 8, C 4, 8 and D 3, 7. So option B is the correct one, that is at carbon number 5 or carbon number 8 electrophile is get attached in the quinoline ring. In the next question, quinoline is prepared by the scrap synthesis by the mixture of aniline plus H2SO4 plus glycerol, B aniline plus NaOH plus glycerol, C aniline plus LiLH4 plus glycerol and D aniline plus AlOH thrice plus glycerol. In all options, aniline and glycerol are common one. So H2SO4, LiLH4, AlOH thrice and NaOH are different one. So here Option A is the correct one, that is aniline plus H2SO4 plus glycerol. By the mixture of all these reagents, the quinoline is get produced. That method is called as Krebs quinoline synthesis method. In the next question, quinoline is reacted with NaNH2. It forms 1 aminoquinoline, 2 aminoquinoline, 5 aminoquinoline and 8 aminoquinoline. Same manner, Na plus NH2 minus formation takes place, and that NH2 negative attacks at carbon number 2. That is 2 aminoquinoline is the product here. So option B is the correct one. In the next question, indole is prepared by Krebs synthesis, Bichler-Napolsky synthesis, Fischer-Indole synthesis, and D none. Option C is the correct one, that is indole is get prepared by Fischer-Indole synthesis. In the next question, isoquinoline is prepared by Fischer-Indole synthesis, Bichler-Napolsky synthesis, C Krebs synthesis, and D none. In this, isoquinoline is always prepared by Bichler-Napolsky synthesis. That is option B is the correct answer for this question. In the next question, the difference in structure of quinoline and isoquinoline is due to A. Difference in carbon number, B. Difference in nitrogen number, C. Difference in number of pi bonds, and D. Difference in position of nitrogen. We have to know that the structure of quinoline and isoquinoline. So in case of quinoline and isoquinoline, the carbon numbers are same, nitrogen numbers are also same, and number of pi bonds are also same, but there is only position change. That is, in quinoline at one position nitrogen atom is present, and in isoquinoline the nitrogen atom is present at two position. So difference in position of nitrogen is the correct option for this question. That is option D is the correct one for question number 20. So this is overall about the 20 MCQs of this part second video. Thank you very much. फ्रेंड्स, अगर अब तक आपने मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करिए और साइड के बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए, ताकि मेरे आने वाले ऐसे ही एजुकेशनल वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस आप तक पहुंचते रहे. थैंक यू वेरी मच.